Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the best products for your everyday needs. Today, we're checking out one of the best large makeup organizers and storage solutions on the market, the Joligrace Makeup Train Case. If you're someone who loves keeping their makeup collection organized and accessible, this might just be the perfect solution for you. First off, let's talk about the size. The Joligrace Makeup Train Case is a large, 14-inch organizer that offers plenty of room for all your cosmetics. Whether you're storing lipsticks, foundations, eyeshadow palettes, or nail polish, this case has a compartment for everything. Its overall dimensions are 14 inches by 11 inches by 8.43 inches, giving you a spacious interior to arrange your beauty essentials in a way that makes sense for you. One of the standout features of this case is its 6 adjustable trays. These trays are designed with dividers that can be customized to fit different sizes of products, keeping everything neatly in place without the risk of spills or jumbled messes. This flexibility means you can adapt the layout of the trays to suit your needs, whether you're storing larger items like bottles or smaller items like mascara and eyeliners. Now, let's talk about accessibility. The bottom compartment is particularly deep, and it's designed to hold larger items that won't fit in the trays. If you need more space, you can even remove the dividers to create a larger, open space. This makes it perfect for storing everything from hair tools to bigger cosmetic products. In terms of durability, this makeup case is built to last. It features a strong aluminum frame, reinforced corners, and heavy-duty latches. Not only does it look sleek and professional, but it's also tough enough to withstand daily use. And, with the added safety lock, you can keep your makeup securely stored, especially if you're traveling or storing it in a busy household. Speaking of traveling, the Joligrace Makeup Train Case is also designed for portability. It comes with a sturdy handle that makes it easy to carry, even when it's fully loaded with makeup. The heavy-duty strap ensures that your items stay safe, even during transit, so you can take your collection with you wherever you go. This case is perfect for makeup artists, beauty enthusiasts, or anyone who wants to keep their beauty products neatly stored and easy to find. Whether you're using it at home or taking it on the go, this makeup train case will keep everything organized and secure. If you're looking for a high-quality, spacious, and durable makeup storage solution, the Joligrace Makeup Train Case is definitely worth considering. It checks all the boxes, from ample storage and customizable trays to security and portability. That wraps up today's review of the Joligrace Makeup Train Case. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the best products around. See you in the next video.